Good evening, y'all. My name's Joe. Welcome back to another episode of Zfighterperformance Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be basically unwrapping a few of the items that have come in for our 2000 Dodge Viper GTS. I'll go ahead and show you those and put them on the car so you can see what they look like on our hood. As well as we're going to be revealing a new project car. I know you're saying, you just revealed a couple of other project cars. You got 5 projects going on all at once. Yes, I know, we're trying to get those done. Believe me, hopefully in the next couple months, we're going to be wrapping up several of these cars. However, this car kind of came to us and it was too good to pass up. So with that being said, we're not going to be spending a ton of time, money, or episodes on this car, but it is kind of a cool car to showcase and bring it back to life and then just kind of enjoy it before we eventually do sell this car. First off, we have these speaker grills that we will be installing on our 2000 Dodge Viper GTS. A gentleman was nice enough to remove these from one of his parts cars. Still in really good shape. You know, they're still, the color on them is not super faded. Came with some hardware to install these. We did get the driver side and passenger side. So definitely excited about getting these on the car. So the next thing that I would like to show that we received for our 2000 Dodge Viper is going to be the fog light delete covers. These are what you would see on the ACR version of the Gen 2 Dodge Viper GTSs. So these are kind of cool to put on. It was definitely a good buy, I think, considering, you know, fog lights, one, are extremely hard to come by, and two, people want basically gold for them. So we're going to go ahead and run these on our 2000 Dodge Viper GTS. And the next part is going to be this should be one of the grills that go over our the tire area on our car. And we picked this up, new old stock, on eBay. It's ready, primed, ready to go. So yeah, excited. We'll go ahead and buy some black paint, the Viper black paint, and go ahead and spray this. And yeah, so let's go throw these on the car and see how they look. So as you can see, we don't have the side grills that go over the wheel arches, the front air duct, or the speaker grills that go on the back side of the hood. So let's go ahead and remedy that and get these put on. There you go. As you can see, our speaker grill covers are installed. And like I said, they're not super faded. They still have their color and they look really, really nice. And of course, this looks weird because it's not painted, but we'll go ahead and get it matched to the rest of the car. So now we're just waiting on the front air duct to come in and the passenger side wheel arch grill, and then we'll have pretty much everything for our hood and we can try and get this thing knocked out. We're also still waiting on the fuel tank and closeout panel. I know I say that every video, but we are. It's getting closer and closer. Hopefully we wrap this thing up totally running and driving by the end of February is kind of what we're trying to do. So hopefully we meet this goal. So like I was stating previously, it is the next day. It got late on us last night. Like I alluded to, we did go ahead and put the grills and stuff on the hood, which you saw earlier in this video. Now we're out at the shop and just wanted to show you a little bit of British engineering that we have coming to the channel. And here is the new project. It is a 1990 Jaguar XJ6 With the 1990, they upgraded the engine from a 3.6 liter inline six to a 4 liter inline six, and I believe Ford took over ownership of Jaguar in 1990, and their main goal was improve safety, which they did several things on the car to improve safety. Also fixed a ton of wiring issues. It's been sitting for, like I said, about 4 or 5 years in a gentleman's garage. It is extremely dusty, and as you can see, there is some paint correction that we're going to have to be doing. There's a little bit of a dent as well. When he went to park this car, he hit a pole that was in his detached garage. So it sucks, but that's nothing we can't fix. And let's see, check out the inside. It's extremely dirty in here, but it's not too terrible. It does have a sunroof, and it has the famous Jaguar J shifter. So let's try and pop the hood, and I'll show you the engine, and we're going to replace the battery first, get power to it, change and check all of the fluids, siphon the gas out, put new gas in it, and go forward from there. See if we can get this thing running, driving. Let's get to it. Go ahead. Give it some gas. First drive. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Really appreciate it. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you get all new content coming to the channel. See you next video.